Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be kicking off the 12 Days of Christmas nail art with this Snowy Pawprints design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that we'll be using today are some older colors from China Glaze. For my base color, I'll be using New Birth, which is a bluish off-white. Then I'll be topping that with the Outer Edge, which is a white and silver glitter. And then for my dots, I'll be using Let's Do It in 3D, which is a scattered holo. Before I start the dotting, I'm going to go ahead and clean up around the edges using a small brush dipped in acetone. Next, I'm going to dot on the paw prints. I have a lid and I'm going to put some of this gray holo out on it. Then I have two different sizes of dotting tools. I'm going to be using a larger dotter for the paw pads, which I'll be doing first, and then a smaller dotter for the toe beans. Once the paws are done, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how cute this turned out. Since the 12 Days of Christmas nail art is such a huge project, this year I'm going to be showing you the designs as a full manicure on my left hand and as an accent nail on my right hand, just to make things a bit easier on myself. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can really appreciate that glitter and holo. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I hope you're all looking forward to this year's 12 Days of Christmas as much as I am. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.